friends. For 14th August, we'll be looking for Godrej consumer product. In this stock, if you see, the stock has corrected from almost 733 to 663, and it is moving in a consolidation range. After a long consolidation, now yesterday it has given a movement and it has given a breakout from this consolidation range, and it has given a strong breakout. You see a big green candle has been formed which has taken out all these candles, so that means all this consolidation range is taken out, but we have to see whether this breakout is a false breakout or a real breakout. So if it sustains at this level then we can initiate a buy with immediate target of 720 and going further 740. So our entry will depend on how the price moves. See, if here, if you see, this was the consolidation range, and that range was ranging from 699 to almost 680 level. So once it has given a breakout, the price has moved fast, and now the price, if it comes again at this level around 699 and gives some consolidation, then that can be a very good entry point, and we can expect an immediate target of 720 with this 690, 680 and 670 as the support levels on downside. But based on the opening, even if it opens down at every level, we can look for a buy opportunity, because these are the very good support levels, and they can be bought at every level. We can buy the stock at every level, and we can expect a good momentum. The reason is, as we have seen, yesterday's breakout was very strong. There was a short covering, and it has taken all the negativity from this range as far as price action is concerned. Along with that, if you see, the PCR ratio is low. Then with the increase in price, the OI has decreased. That means the short covering was there, and now just we have to say whether this breakout is real or a fake one. So based on that, we take a call. But overall structure looks very bullish, and if this consolidation is taken out, and we can see a very good levels 740 and above that also is possible. So this is on Godrej consumer product. The second one is McDowell. Actually, yesterday only we have initiated a trade during live hours. But now, if you want to enter, then this can be the entry point. 590 should be our stop loss, immediate stop loss from a trading perspective. And if it opens below that, then this 585 to 590, this is a very good support range, and it should take a support in this range. So if we get a price below this, then here we can have an entry, because 585 is going to be very good support range, and final stop loss will be 580. So with this, if we are able to get a position at this level in the range of, in the vicinity of 585 to 590, that can be a very good risk reward trade, and we can expect immediate, if we get entry here, immediate target we can expect 600. We can book partial quantity, and if it sustains about this 600 level, then 605 can be immediately achieved, and going further 613 is an achievable level. So again, there is a short cover rally from this 580 to 600 level. This was a short covering rally, and based on the OI data, if you see, 600 is the major resistance level. So that is the reason why we should be looking for a buying opportunity if it comes down. Else this reward will not be that attractive. But once the 600 level is taken out, we can expect a very good movement, and immediately within no span 605 can be achieved, which is 1%, and in intraday 1% is a very big, a very good return. And going further, we can even have 613 level. And if it sustains above this, then even further levels can also be achieved. So this is on McDowell or United Spirits. And there are two more stocks on which we can keep an eye. One is Chola Finance, that also is forming a very good structure, and it is moving in a consolidation range of 227 to almost 200 level, 198 level. And yesterday it has given a very good movement. After this narrow consolidation range of 212 to 200 level, it has given a breakout. So this was a short covering rally, but now it is at a crucial level, because multiple times it have got rejected from this level. So that level is around 220 level. So if this is taken out, it seems it has taken out, but then we need to have a confirmation, because without confirmation there can be, we may get trapped, because it's a short covering rally. So there are we still need to wait for longs to get built. So if we get an opportunity, the price moves little down and tries to take support at this 213 or 215 level, maybe 217 level. Any level in this vicinity will be a good buying opportunity. So if we get entry over here, then this can be our stop loss, that is 204, or max 200 can be our stop loss. So it can be a very good risk reward ratio, and we can expect an immediate target of 248, going further to 69 and 289 levels. But if it doesn't come down and tomorrow it opens on higher side, then this 2 to 6 level, 2 to 7 level, this is a crucial level, and if it opens above that, then we have to see whether it moves one way. If it moves one way, then we will not be able to catch the trade, so we will miss that trade. It's okay, we'll find some other opportunity. But if it moves and comes down and tries to do some consolidation in this range and takes a support at this range, then that can be a very good trade, because we will have a confirmation, and once that confirmation is there, uh, and it gives a breakout, then it can be a very good and sure short trade. So with that, we can expect 248 to 69 as our target, and 289 going further. So that can be an excellent trade with excellent risk reward ratio. So this is on Chola Finance. We just have to keep a watch on this to have a good trade. Another stock that we can keep on our radar is Godrej Properties. If you see, we have initiated trade earlier also in this in July, and we were expecting a buy about 910. That trade was initiated, but intraday the stop loss was hit, so we could not take a trade. Uh, uh, but the positional stop loss was 840, so that was still intact, and it gave our all the three targets. It took time, it took almost 1 month, but then did give the levels that we were expecting. And after that, from the same level it got rejected and the price came down, and now again it is approaching at the same level. And if you see, this is the channel in which it is moving. So this is forming the higher highs, and if you draw a line, this becomes the upper trend line, and this is forming higher lows. So again, we can make a line, and this can be a trend line. So now it is approaching at this trend line. So if it has to move in this channel, So if we assume that the price is moving in this channel, then this should act as a good support range. So we can look for a buy on this stock with around 850 as our stop loss, and if it doesn't go below this, if it goes below this, then it will be a very big downside. But if we get a support and the price moves up, then even if we have to trade in this channel, this can be a very good risk reward trade, because we can expect the first target around 897 and going further 953. So this can be a good buy opportunity. Previously also, if you see, this was our trend line. Normally, this trend line also acts as a very good support and resistance. So we have to see such patterns, and we can trade accordingly. So this was our trend, earlier trend line. So it has formed the lower highs and higher lows. So it was forming a triangle, and once it gave a breakout at this level, above this channel level, see how the movement has come. It has given a sudden rise in the price, and again when it came down, it has taken a support at this trend line, the previous trend line itself. So this trend line most of the time do act as a crucial levels, and either support or resistance can be expected at this level. So now again, if you see, the price has moved below this, but it's on a 15-minute chart, so it can be easily taken out because we have a crucial support zone in this range. So we can initiate a buy on this Godrej Properties, of course with a strict stop loss. So these are the four stocks that we can look for trade on 14th August. Apart from this, we already have open positions in STL Tech, Adani Port, Infi in yesterday's trade. In fact, SCL, Adani, and Infi and Tech Mahindra, we took trade in the early hours and exited our position with a small profit, a decent profit, in fact, because it was hardly a 15-20 minutes trade, and we have had a very good profit. So wish you all the best and happy trading. Please do trade with proper stop loss, and please subscribe my channel if you want to uh, see similar trading ideas on daily basis. Thank you.